This video will show you how to use the RIDGID Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner. The Power Spin Plus allows you to power through clogs in your drain lines quickly and smoothly, simply by pulling the auto feed trigger and turning the drum manually or with a battery-powered drill. It is ideal for use in tubs, sinks, and showers with drain lines up to 1.5 inch in diameter. It is not recommended for use on toilets due to the risk of damaging the porcelain. The Power Spin Plus features a positively retained cable in the drum to prevent cable pullout, a comfortable reinforced hand grip, a lightweight polyethylene drum that will not dent or rust, and a 25-foot, tough, kink-resistant cable specially designed for drill operation. When using the Power Spin Plus with a battery-powered drill, remove the crank from the back of the drum by pressing the tabs on either side and attach the chuck of the drill to the drum shaft. Set the drill to low speed. Position yourself comfortably and securely to maintain your balance and keep firm control of the drain cleaner and battery-powered drill. Now you're ready to operate the drill. Position the drain cleaner within 4 inches of the drain opening and maintain that distance throughout the process to help prevent twisting and kinking of the cable. With the drill set for a low-speed clockwise spin, squeeze the drain cleaner and drill triggers to turn the drum clockwise and advance the cable through the drain. Continue until you encounter resistance. Then carefully work the cable through the blockage. To do this, it may be necessary to spin the cable without advancing it by releasing the auto feed trigger and engaging the drill. Or you may have to advance the cable very slowly to break up the blockage. Once the blockage is cleared, turn the water on to flush any debris down the drain. Then set the drill for counterclockwise spin and squeeze the drain cleaner and drill triggers to retract the cable. Now you are done. Simpler blockages can be handled manually. Make sure you're positioned comfortably and securely to maintain your balance and keep control of the drain cleaner while operating. Place one hand on the drain cleaner handle and trigger. Make sure that the drain cleaner is within 4 inches of the drain opening. It is important to maintain that distance throughout the cleaning process to prevent twisting and kinking of the cable. Now turn the drum clockwise and squeeze the drain cleaner trigger to advance the cable through the drain until you encounter resistance. Carefully work the cable through the blockage without forcing it. It may be necessary to spin the cable without advancing it or advancing the cable very slowly to break up the blockage. Once the blockage is cleared, turn the water on to flush any debris down the drain, then set the drill for counterclockwise spin and squeeze the drain cleaner trigger to retract the cable. Now you are done. Like every tool from the brand with a nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the RIDGID Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner is tough and durable and comes with a full lifetime warranty. The RIDGID Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner.